Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. This beautiful pattern in front of you is extremely simple to work up. This is the front, this is the back. On the front you will see that there's these little textured bumps. This pattern is fairly simple to work up, is worked in rows and has this beautiful texture. So grab your hook and your yarn and let's do the stitch. In order to start the stitch, your foundation chain here needs to be a multiple of 2, and to that you're going to add 3 more. So I've made 23 foundation chain to start this pattern. Please be advised this is extremely simple to work up, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel where I offer free patterns and tutorials, and this channel is always updated extremely regularly. And if you are a returning viewer, hit that subscribe button. So once you have your foundation chain, I've made 23. You're going to make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to make 1 double crochet. Now we're going to make 1 double crochet in each of the chains right across your row. So you're going to have 1 double crochet in every chain right to your last chain, and that's where I'll meet you. I'm doing the last double crochet. When you're done making your foundation row, chain 1 and turn your work. Now you're going to work 1 slip stitch into the very first stitch, so make a slip stitch. Once you're done making your slip stitch, in the next stitch 1 double crochet. Slip stitch into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into your next stitch. Now I'm going to tell you your repeat for this row is 1 slip stitch in 1 stitch, and the following stitch 1 double crochet, and you're going to continue that right across your row. 1 slip stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 slip stitch, 1 double crochet, right across to the end of your work. When you get to the end of your row, you will work your final slip stitch into the top of the initial 3 chain that you made of your previous row. For row 3, you're going to chain 3. This counts as 1 double crochet. Skip the first stitch. In the next stitch, which is the top of the double crochet of the previous row, work 1 double crochet. And now you're going to work 1 double crochet in every stitch right across your row. So it's 1 double crochet right across in every stitch. You will work the last double crochet in the top of the slip stitch of the previous row. Once you've worked 3 rows, your foundation row, your first row, and your second row, you will see these little beautiful bumps up here. As you run your finger over them, you can feel they go down and up, down and up. And you're going to repeat row 2 and row 3 until you get to your desired length. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely get you on the next vid. When you try this, please tag me in your video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Check you on the next vid.